In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your settings in Adobe Illustrator to their default state. Whether you're facing unexpected performance issues or simply want a fresh start, resetting your preferences can be a quick and effective solution. First things first, let's open Adobe Illustrator. Now, depending on whether you're using a Windows computer or a Mac OS, you'll need to navigate through the menu slightly differently. For those of you using Windows, head to the top menu and click on Edit. From there, scroll down to find Preferences and click on it. As the submenu appears, you'll want to select General. If you're on a Mac OS, the path is a bit different. You'll start by clicking on Illustrator, right up there in the top menu. Then, proceed to Preferences and click on General. Now that we're all on the same page, the General tab is where we need to be. This tab contains various options that control some of your most basic Illustrator settings. Conveniently, located within this window, you should see a button labeled Reset Preferences. Click on this if it's available. Sometimes, in different versions of Illustrator, this option might be structured differently, but if you see it, that's your key to resetting. When you press this button, what happens is, Illustrator begins to prepare to revert all custom settings to their original state, wiping out any previous changes you might have made to tailor your experience. After clicking Reset Preferences, it's important to know that sometimes Illustrator might not prompt you for confirmation, so make sure you really want to reset everything. Once you're comfortable and have hit that button, it's time to close Adobe Illustrator completely. You can do this by selecting Quit Illustrator from the File menu. Now, let's restart the application. When you reopen it, you should notice that everything has been reverted to the default settings, offering you a clean slate. This process is especially beneficial if you've been experiencing abnormal behavior within the application. It can help troubleshoot various issues by ruling out the possibility of corrupt settings causing your software to act up. Remember, resetting your preferences is like starting fresh. So any customization or specific changes you had before might need to be redone. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Adobe Illustrator settings back to their default state. This simple yet powerful tool can make a significant difference in how the program performs and feels. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. See you next time.